Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we're gonna solve the unsolved question of Ignou book of Master in Psychology, that is block 2 correlations of the Pearson coefficient. And the question number 3 of your book, we're gonna solve this question number 3 by the method of row score method, that is Pearson row score method. So if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, please subscribe it yet. So let's begin the magic. Data showing scores on the time taken to complete 200-meter race and the duration for the 5 runners. Plot the scatter diagram, compute mean, variance, standard deviation and covariance. Compute the correlation coefficient, write the null hypothesis. So let's see how to do this question. First, we have to present data in the x and y tabulation form. So x is equals to x and y. So x is the data of x is equals to 31, 30, 36, 26 and 38. The data of y is 11, 14, 9, 15 and 7. As you have seen our previous video, the next column would be x square. So what we have done, the digit of the x, that is 31, we have to just square it in the column of x square. Okay, so 31 square is 961, same 32 square is 1024, 36 square is 1296, 26 square is 36 square is 1296, 26 square is 676, 38 square is 1444. Now the next column would be, we have to square the value of y, that is y square is equals to 11 square is 121, 14 square is 196, 9 square is 81, 15 square is 225 and 7 square is 49. Now the next column would be product of the x and y, that is x and y, that is 31 multiplied by 11. So 31 multiplied by 11 is equals to 341. 32 multiplied by 14 is equals to 448. 36 multiplied by 9 is equals to 324. 26 multiplied by 15 is 390. 38 multiplied by 7 is equals to 266. Now in the end, what we have to do, we have to do the summation of all the 5 columns, that is summation of x is equals to 31 plus 32 plus 36 plus 26 plus 38, that would come out to be 163. Now summation of y is equals to, that is 14 plus 11 plus 9 plus 15 plus 7, that is 56. Next column is summation of x square, that is 961 plus 1024, 1296, 676 and 1444, that comes out to be 5401. Summation of y square, that is 121 plus 196 plus 81 plus 225 plus 49, which comes out to be 672. Last, summation of xy, which comes out to be 341 plus 448 plus 324 and so on, that is 1769. So we know the formula to find the coefficient correlation of R in term of row square method, that is equals to summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y divided by n whole divided by under root में S of xx and sy, where sx is our standard deviation of x and xy is standard deviation of y. So we got value of xy, that is this one. We got value of summation of x, summation of y. What we don't have in this formula is standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y. So let's first find out the sx, that is standard deviation of x, whose formula is summation of x square minus summation of x whole square raised to power n, and sy is equals to summation of y square minus summation of y whole square divided by n. Now put the value summation of x square, that is 540 minus summation of x, that is 163 whole square divided by n. N is the number of the term that is given over the data. So how many term is given? 5, total 5 term are given, divided by 5. So which comes out to be 540 minus, summation of x square is 5401. Now 160 square divided by 5, which comes out to be 5313.8, which comes out to be 87.2. So summation of x is equals to 87.2. Same as we did in the sx, that is standard deviation of x, we also gonna do that the xy, that is summation of standard deviation of y, that is sigma summation of y square, that is y square is 672. We just have to put the value, that is 672 minus sigma summation of y ka whole square, that is 56 whole square divided by n is 5, which is equals to 672 minus 56 square divided by 5 comes out to be 627.2. After subtracting, we get 44.8. That is our value of sy, that is standard deviation of y. Now we have the value of sx and xy. Let's put in the formula. So let's write it again because we don't have the sufficient space in the above. So r is equals to summation of xy minus summation of x multiplied by summation of y divided by n whole divided by under root of sx sy. You can also write sx, that is sum of summation of square of standard deviation of x and y. So let's put the value xy, that is summation of xy is 1769. Summation of x into summation of y, that is summation of x is 163 and summation of y is 56, that is 163 multiplied by 56 divided by n is 5 whole divided by under root of sx, that is standard deviation of x, which is equals to 87.2. Sy is 44.8. Okay, so let's calculate 169 minus, this comes out to be 1825.6 upon में under root of 3906.56, which comes out to be minus 56.6 upon में 62.50 and which is equals to minus of 0.905. That is r equals to minus of 0.905. This is the coefficient correlation of this given problem. Now in the question we have to calculate the mean, which we also calculated variance, standard deviation. Now we have to draw the scatter diagram. So let's see how to draw the scatter diagram. As you can know, my drawing is not so good. Let's try to draw it more precisely. Negative sign shows that the linearity would be in negative direction, that is the slope of this linearity would be in the negative direction. That means it goes downwards in the direction. If it is plus, then that means it goes in the upward direction. So negative means it goes downward in the down direction. So our plotting would be somewhat like this. It's just a example, I am not drawing precisely. Okay, yeah. So it would be the scatter diagram of this question. Now what does this minus 90 show? I would like minus sign shows the slope is negative, that is it goes downwards. Second, 0.90 shows that the correlation between x and y is high. What do you mean by high correlation? That is, if x increase, then y is increase. If x decrease, then y is also decrease. So that's all the explanation for the question number 3 of your block 2 chapter number 1. I hope you like my video, and if you have any kind of doubts or something which you don't understand in the given video, you can comment in the comment box. Also, if you have any kind of query, you can also contact me with my email address. So yes, we're gonna meet in our next video. Till then, be safe, be home, and keep smiling, keep gathering lots of memory. Thank you all of you.